Good morning students, welcome back to S.R.Tutorial. So today I am going to discuss regarding fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, so what is fixed cost? Fixed cost is a cost which is fixed. Okay, this is. Okay, is a cost which is fixed. Fixed means it does not change with the number of units produced in the production unit. So which is fixed or do not change if there is an increase or decrease in the production of a given quantity of materials during a certain period of time. Okay, so with the increment in the production process, or if there is a decrease in the number of units produced, the fixed cost remains the same. Example, rent of the production unit. The rent of the building in which the production is taking place, that remains fixed, that amount remains fixed. If there is a change in the production of number of units, it may be increase in the production of units or it may be decrease in the production of a given quantity of materials. The fixed cost remains the same. Example, rent. What is variable cost? Just the opposite. It does not remain fixed. It varies with the number of units produced. Suppose wages of laborers. As the laborers are working, with the increment in the number of production of units of a given quantity of material, the wages of laborers also increases, with the number of units produced by the laborers. So that is variable cost, that does not remain fixed. So just take down this note, what is fixed cost and what is variable cost. This will be very easy for your exam, to explain that what is fixed cost or what is variable cost. I can give you another example of fixed cost and variable cost. Suppose there is a person who has taken a rented house of rupees 6,700. Now she has a daughter who is also staying with her. Now her expenses in food is suppose rupees 3,000. She with her daughter eats food of rupees 3,000. And the rent of the house is rupees 6,700. Now if her husband joins her in that particular house, rented house, then the rent of the house, that is rupees 6,700, will remain the same, with the entry of the husband in her house. So that is, the rent is the fixed cost. Rent of the house is the fixed cost. But the expenses which she makes, in her food, in her and her daughter's food, of rupees 3,000, that will increase, with the entry of her husband. That will be from 3,000, it will increase to 5,000. So here 3,000 to 5,000 is the variable cost, whereas rent, which will remain same, that is 6,700, with the entry of her husband. So that is fixed cost. Rent is fixed cost, but the fooding expenses, with the introduction of her husband, into the family, the fooding expenses will increase. So that is variable cost, fooding expenses. So this is I have explained in a very simple language, okay, from our day to day examples, okay, day to day life examples. So I hope you have understood what is fixed cost and what is variable cost. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.